Hey guys, today I got a treat for you guys. We are going to make some avocado punch. So we've got these avocados from my tree here and they look kind of ratty. They've been around a long time. Let's open up, let's see how ratty they look on the inside, but they're super soft. If this was a store-bought avocado, I'd probably throw it away, but look at that. They still look nice and green inside. These ones don't really turn brown like your traditional store-bought ones. All right, so we got our avocado in here. So now we're gonna add our milk. And those of you that follow me know I don't measure stuff. I just pour. That looks like a good amount of milk right there. Maybe a little bit more. There we go. We're gonna put some condensed milk in there. Oh, we want nice and sweet. That's a good amount right there. We're gonna put a dash of nutmeg. We're gonna put a little bit of vanilla extract. This we're gonna kind of measure. We're gonna put it in a cap. There we go. We're gonna put a little bit of cinnamon. And we're gonna put a tiny dash of bitters. Alrighty, off to the blender. All right, guys, let's turn this blender on. We add a little more milk to top it off. Let's get this nice and smooth. All right, guys, the moment of truth here. We've got our avocado punch. And I gotta say thank you to my Trinidadian cousins who are here, and they gave me the idea for this avocado punch. They drink it all the time in Trinidad. So we're gonna give it a try here. Let's see what it tastes like. That is actually amazing. That is surprisingly delicious. It's only got a hint of avocado. What you're really tasting is you're tasting the condensed milk, you're tasting the nutmeg and the cinnamon. It's actually really, really good. You just gotta try this avocado punch. Who knew? All right, see you guys. Bye.